Bitcoin futures. Bitcoin futures have some form of accumulation zone in the background in here. And here was your breakout, and prices struggled to push higher in response to the breakout. There was a couple of attempts to push higher through here and here, but the markets found it difficult to push away. Now, we established prior to me going away some potential buying support coming in through here, and this was an absorption bar. Now, these 2 weeks, it's sort of difficult to see on a weekly chart. We'll just flip to a daily quickly. Now you can see here's the lows of the range, and we established through here some buying support, and this was likely a buy the offer over a couple of days, further buying support and a shakeout over 2 bars. Now 3, 4, 5, that's this week starting there. That's this week starting there. Now, we've got buying support in the background now, and 2 weeks ago, this would have been a test for supply, but volume's too high for a test for supply, so it's like buying support to come in, which is what you'd expect. And here's the lows of the daily range going through there. So you've got buying support come in and a secondary attempt to support the market here. Volume remained high, spread reduced. Next bar was slightly up, bar after that was up. So what you've got here is buying support in the first 2 bars, an absorption bar here by the offer style, and then the market's then responded and taken up the ground that it absorbed here and pushed above it. And then the next bar is a test for supply, and volume was found to be low, or supply was found to be low. So this was buying support, which complements what we've seen across here. Now, on Monday this week, price accelerated higher, and there's pretty much no doubt that supply was drawn out here. So the market tested for supply, and supply was below average, and spread was much narrower. That allowed the market to pop up, but with no real intent. And then you've got an absorption bar, price pushed up by the offer style, drifted lower, allowed the traders to get flushed out, and then price has taken up that level that was weakened by the absorption bar, and prices closed adjacent to that bar's close. So what you've effectively got, clean that up, is a little period of bullish absorption come through here. This is a pressing nature towards the upside. You've got clusters of closes at the same level, which is showing you absorption. And you've got threatening down bars with no downside follow through. This to me looks like bullish absorption, and it's the market absorbing its way higher rather than accelerating higher, say like this. This is the market absorbing its way higher. And they're the 2 ways that markets generally move higher, in a grinding fashion or an acceleration. And this is grinding at the moment, and it may do so right up to here. Just grind its way up over a period of time, and then you'll see whether the price can continue the breakout. Go back to the weekly, and if we put those lines back in, there's the accumulation zone. Here's the highs to that zone through here, and you've effectively got the highs of the range going through there. So you may well see price, I said it would grind to here, but you may well see price probably grind up closer to this level before there's any sort of attempt to break out. So you've got established a period of absorption through here, and this looks like it's the beginnings of bullish absorption.